This is how you can learn to sew straight lines as a beginner trying to learn straight lines. This is the perfect way. All you just need is just your sewing machine. You don't need to thread it, and paper. So this my paper. It has lines already, so I don't need to rule another line on it because it's straight line that I want to sew. So once you just pedal, you just bring down your pedal so that it can hold the paper. It's not threaded. If you look closely, you see that the machine is not threaded. So I'm sewing straight line. It's going straight. Just keep looking. It's going straight. This is the perfect way to learn sewing straight line. With this, you can sew anything that you want to sew for your customer, and it will come out straight. Perfect. Neat work. That's our goal. So you just keep doing this, keep practicing this line by line. Before you know it, you will learn how to sew straight line. So this is the best way to do this. This way you keep doing this, I'll show you how to sew corners and also how to sew circles. Just keep watching the video. You will learn how to sew corners and circles. And so this is how you can do it. Just keep moving, maintain that line. So please, if you're watching this video, please do me a favor, do like the video, please comment, please do subscribe if you haven't done that. Thank you. It means a whole lot to me. So I hear is how to sew corners. So you sew from this edge to the other edge to the other edge to the other edge. So this is how you keep going corners, keep sewing. So this is the paper. Just after I'm done constructing the lines, you can see it in just rectangular forms. So this is me trying to sew straight and corners, because I'm starting from the straight and doing the corner stuff. So let's sew together. Watch this. Just maintain your hand and keep sewing. So if you don't know how to use the machine, so this is how did you see just what happened now? That in case if you don't know how to use it, if you push the wheel balance backwards, this is what you will have. That what just happened. So but if you push it towards yourself, that that's what sewing front, so it won't sew back. Yeah, it will move back. So this is the best way to know. In case if you don't know how to sew, I'll teach you how to sew. Just be please subscribe so that you can know when I'm dropping new videos, so that you can watch them and learn. If you don't know how to match the pedal or how to sew, I'll teach you that in my next video. So you keep doing this, going around till you becomes perfect in it. So this is just how to sew. So the reason why we learn with papers is so that you won't damage fabrics. So using paper is more easy. At least you can see the line, because in fabric you can't see what what you are sewing. But with this paper you can see everything clearly, because the machine is not threaded. So this is the best way to do this. Just keep doing this till you becomes perfect in it. It's not much. Keep doing it, once you reach at the edge, you turn and continue. That's the best way to do this, is just to lift your pedal while the pin is still on the paper. It's still your needle is still pinning your paper. Then you can rotate your paper. That's the best way to do this. So this is, even if you're sewing on material, this is the best way to do this, so you can sew straight and not be sewing zigzag. So this is the outcome. You keep doing this